Need a dessert that can beat the heat? This frozen peach mousse dessert is light, refreshing, and made with delicious Ontario peaches. Hi, welcome to Cooking with Cori. I'm your host, Chef Cori Doern, and I'm also a proud media spokesperson for Foodland Ontario. And I'm going to tell you, I know I always say a recipe is a guideline, but not this time. We are going to be making an absolutely scrumptious frozen peach mousse dessert. So what I want to do is I want to show you all the moving parts to this recipe. I'm going to encourage you to go to foodlandontario.ca and take a look at this recipe. And this is how we're going to put it all together. You're going to start with simmering hot water and put a non-reactive dish on top and make sure the water's not too hot, but it's hot enough that when you add your 4 egg yolks, I've just got one here as an example. You're going to separate the yolk from the white. I've got the zest of a lemon. I've got some lemon juice. I've got 1/3 of a cup of sugar, and I'm going to add this to my, my bowl, and I'm going to whisk this for about 8 minutes until it coats the back of a spoon. So you're gonna see that the sugar and the egg and the lemon juice are gonna incorporate and come together. That is one part of that process. And then you're going to take that with your beautiful Ontario peaches that you've already peeled and you've diced up and then you've pureed, and you're gonna take the egg and the pureed peach, you're gonna combine it, and then you're gonna put it in your refrigerator to cool off. Now, this is where these steps are really, really important. Here I've got 1/2 cup of egg white and another 1/3 of a cup of sugar. I have some cream of tartar, and I have equal parts of cream of tartar and salt. So what I want to do with this is I also want to put it into a bowl. I absolutely need a beater, and I'm going to beat this until it forms lovely stiff peaks, where the egg has set and it's got that lovely stiff peak to it where it's not going anywhere. In chef school, they make you hold it over your head. Yes, they do. And so then what you're going to do is you're going to take your lovely mixture here of your egg and your pureed peach, and you're gently going to fold it in together with your egg white. And folding it means that you are going to take your spatula and just delicately fold it together. The same thing is going to be said for your whipped cream. You're going to add vanilla to your heavy cream, and then you're going to get your mixer and you're going to beat it up like this. And then you're also going to do the same thing with the whipped cream into your beautiful egg and peach mixture. And you're just going to fold it together just like you're seeing me do this. And what you'll end up with is something gorgeous that looks just like this. Now, this is what it's going to look like when it all comes together. This is that kind of recipe that you know you're going to need some time in the freezer to make sure that it sets. When you give yourself 30 minutes to let the peach mixture and the egg mixture cool, this is super important because you do not want to add your stiff-peaked egg whites or your heavy whipped cream to a mixture that's warm. So you really want to take that time to keep it in the fridge. And then once you've incorporated it and folded it together just beautifully like this, then you're going to get your graham cracker crust that you can either push into a spring-form pan with some melted butter, or you can utilize one that's already ready to go like I have here, and then just pour it in. And it is beautiful, let me tell you. And then the next step is super important. It's put it in your freezer, put some tin foil on top, and let it set for 9 hours or overnight. And then once that has set, you're going to take it out of your freezer about a 1/2 hour before you're ready to serve. And once you do that, through the magic of television, thank you so much, we have this absolutely gorgeous, beautiful frozen peach mousse dessert for you and your friends and family to enjoy. Check out foodlandontario.ca for the full recipe.